This is the service elevator in the South Tower of the Hotel Ithaca in Ithaca, New York. Wow, for a service elevator, this is awfully small. It's got new fixtures, unlike the other elevator. Yeah, 1,500-pound capacity. Yeah, it's still got the original Westinghouse brails. And does it have the airlock? Yeah, it has the airlock too. So you can tell that this is obviously not a new installation. This too used to be Westinghouse, but interesting. Usually it's the passenger elevator that gets modded, but not the service. I mean, I suppose the passenger elevator got modded too, but still is the original fixtures, whereas here it's got a new indicator, new buttons. Yeah, it's basically like a brand new elevator.
First floor.
Alright, since this is a service elevator, we're only going to take one ride. So, anyway, there it goes. And that'll be it.